Hey, how's it going? So it's Coach Jay. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to do lying abduction, okay? So lying abduction is very simple. Get yourself a mat, and all you're going to do is stable your body as you're lying down watching television or something like that. You're going to lay on your shoulder, just like so, and what you're gonna do with your feet is you're going to dorsiflex your feet. This is plantar flexion. This is dorsiflexion. I want your foot to stay like this the entire way. And it'd be even more beneficial if you can get the bottom foot that way as well. Now, what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to keep this leg in one plane of motion, meaning that if I lift this leg, technically the front of the feet and the back of the foot would still be in alignment with the bottom foot, okay? Keep that in mind. Now, all that's happening here while the body is in a dagger straight line is you are going to exhale as you bring your leg up. And all I want you to do is I want you to bring your leg up to the point where you can feel the contraction right here. Okay? For some of you, it's going to be a little higher. And then for others, it's going to be a little lower. It does not matter. Whatever that is, that's considered your available range of motion. Okay? So for me, that would be to about here is where I really feel that deep contraction in the side of my glute. This is the gluteus medius and minimus, and this is the purpose for this exercise, while also remember keeping the foot dorsiflex. That means the front of the foot, it is pointing towards my face, okay? So what this looks like in action is we're gonna exhale up, squeeze the side of the butt muscle, inhale down. Now, if you're strong enough, don't tap your feet, okay? If you're intermediate, keep your foot not touching the other foot, but still in the same plane of motion. And again, plane of motion means that we're not crossing over here, we're not crossing behind here, we're using nothing but the glutes. If I'm back here, I'm using my low back. If I'm here, I'm using my hip flexors more. Don't want to do any of that. I literally want to stay in one plane. And again, that's front of the foot balance with the bottom of the foot and the top foot, and then the heel balance with the bottom and the top foot. Very simple. So it is exhale, inhale. Remember, if you tap your foot to foot, that is for the beginner. If not, you stay hovering above the foot. Inhale, inhale, inhale. And you will simply do that for the correct time under tension or repetitions that I set for you.